aho all those technocrats batangwa cracks n'abakora report ekikirire ekikiremere ahasigire heche ijyo report bagikunganya bagiteko mu Prime Minister's office so Prime Minister's office yana shoze charge mu districts reports
review ya performance
performance review cyaje mayisangu nico kikoze kwa ground it's not gambling actually nare miturane kura nare mu nekore kiro ekuri hangwe abantu bakaba byamene mu nekura why abantu mbabi no businje babyamaje tina kubatahira ciro
namango myaka makumyane yahingwa buriza numwabo businje
of course businje you can't hide
yes we accept
NRM brought peace you can't hide
we accept
and I can't get ashamed of talking peace because Uganda is in peaceful status actually we call it tranquility tranquility state abukuba Uganda hataheri that's why you can attract investors to come investors to come. Echecha peva ye where of course these internal insecurities tika Abraham at for example ko witu katete twine yo
or no akatete no
twine group budget vigilantes vigilantes now it's a team n'abantu bakozera umurimo gwanye kundire kumekinga shongwa kumecweka cyabo nico arebire nyuma bakamba leta manyumba 10 kugira ngo umuntu araro umusero at least abarpotingiro mu majwaga 10 gabakuru they should be aware of the visitor haza kikiza cha shanke cyatuba kunka bataka bayikora mu murumo namwe nisiba munywano wanje yari mukuru muhumuza afande muhumuza no kwembera vigilantes zakate yakatete and really have done some good work ninsaba police na security agencies baba supporting
bongere na za
bongere na man actually nabandi barebere kutu
patrele nyoni nyishika ezibakoze rombwire gwakaruru by the way zikazo runonje but hati ukano mango nimbani nga office abashahi n'abashayitano but I'm safe konka hati no team za kwishika shayivyo no
yeah so we need of course development developed world I think that's why you see America
are we developed or we are developing?
Very developing.
We are developing.
Yes. But whatever can think America bakugira ngo bobu umuntu arukwende munda gitunga. Why? It's a developed world, it's a developed continent. So Uganda need to turiya kura stage we can't sengu abantu kutubantu kura buri umuntu wena barije to that extent. Aramabinko zebi that's why we have courts of laws. Tuinabanda batakunde bintu birungi so we heard them some way. So mtoka sa program one oreba president yagamba chintu cha East Africa munonga nangwe ajarata he wishes to have political integration yes and the real president is very right because oreba no mtu abiri takatandi kire chintu cha East African community agama hanga gutwete kizinga cha East Africa gakagatandikire uteka kushubura hamwe even before independence they had thought kugira ngo amahanga ga Africa ga East Africa gashubure hamwe so kutwiza tware banyerere bwizoro bwirobo bakiza bakafominga East Africa most especially okubesingira byo bushobozi na president Museveni na timu yabize bakagaraka bakachemburesinga hati after the collapse of Idi Amin mwenu nchetenga Uganda na East Africa tuegiti hamwe most especially tuyo embargo zo byo bushobozi
president yatugambe cyo kuzera ngo cyo sinti cyo kujango waza kuzomu ihanga ngo yeta oshime kuba ine visa why do I need a visa kuzomuduka
that's why that is very right that yagamba hecho it shouldn't be there
yats compare kakuzera ngo agamahanga gagatwishure twatwine ko mukagogoito why are we asking for a visa kuzomu ihangeri can't you want to promoting atwemo
true atecho njya kukigeragera sa we had by 2000 in 2022 twachi twine chwa kweta AGOA African Trade Opportunity Act that was it's called AGOA Africa Trade Opportunity Act so ateche chintu kichabireho it was 2000 chikategwa mukono actually it was African Growth Opportunity Act agwa ate kinte cyo kucyabire nkibaho bwiro bwa 12 meeting akakorwa America that time akaro President Bill Clinton that they were targeting Sub-Saharan Africa, those countries as Sub-Saharan Africa, trading to have free trade in that corridor. So kubagira America kubaganira Bill Clinton, he told them then you need to have free trade by signing that act. Chabichara juro ngumwino kushubura ni hangari hatine embagwero. I think Africa na East Africa specifically into act, a very serious act.
Vincent no shabeti and tugaruka tureba bakuyunguza eberajuru bill kwisha ko against this sovereignty bill. Echo njije ko tutamuriyo no restricting
sovereignty bill. It happened because tukasa Nigeria act, but in case twagira echiba kweteri anka act ibasa Nigeria 2000 as Sub-Saharan Africa bakagira ngo no, we have to have trade freely ataro embargo yona. So ndijanje mayisango nitwa Africa arazo mu Uganda tuweza kugira jo free trade. The constitution can be amended, but is not to amending. So ndijanje mayisango twakora sovereignty of East Africa. Then for ya charuga Uganda ya sovereignty of East Africa to have independent nkechizinga cha East Africa. Actually that's president cyanagamba kuza kutwara ibintu Sudan ukahika boda bakakwemereza ukashanga romara ko bwire buringo oyine binte bipereshebe bukora akakufa ebinkenyanya nachi ibintu bukasisikara motoka
na transport.
Why should we have that? So nishokoro mwembe zihango yaragaje to no kandi kirungi abebembeza abantu babariya aba Africa. Salva Kiir yariya representative of Kenya babariya ndesimbiye yariya. So it was really
Haruna Tshisekedi wa Tanzania
wa Congo yariya
na Samia wa
ikizinga cha Africa chona cha East Africa na singa prime minister wa Rwanda yariya. So abantu bona ba East Africa including Somalia yazwe ekiro president yariya. So mwani yanagamba kintu cha East Africa yanachigambira the real people. Because ntureba one oreba organization of African Unity around 6 that is kumurwe nankaganisha obweba ato organization of African Unity abantu kubajirebire bagira ngunga abajungu omishwa African waseta ko uniting bamba jiremesa bakamba manyangu ejesha Africa iza ko uniting raw materials zituma batachizitwara Africa iza ko uniting kagira one currency muzakugira base of GDP batandika kuturemese birungi barakwenda ngo amahanga gito agamake gagume buri hangara independent konko OAU aiming at uniting Africa economically and politically konka abajungu kugira ngo bakabine mico understanding y'ibintu bingi ebembenda gukora mu Africa bakatureterera balconism aristweta balconism wano reba umuyangari yatake akaba hicho kweta balconism. Balconism ni nko kucubuceka ukashanga burkantu kari independent, Uganda turi independent, Kenya wari independent, Congo wari independent, kandi tutari mahango konka turi independent kandi ushanga stakwikirizana even ideologically stakwikirizana. That's what happened during the collapse of Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire katandika. The Ottoman Empire started in around 1517. Ruling until World War I. After actually it collapsed after World War I. Why? Hakabaho obuchweka bwinjo bwachwece mahanga minja gachwecire ahartake leti Sabia Croatia na nabundu buhango bwachwecira aza bwagiro kuryana habaho of course mahanga gangariya no bushubuzi tubukabaho ukwatagana ngwa kutarho nari mu insecurity ibintu nkebyo. So charetera collapse ya empire yona kuza down. So one orebe jesha mu Uganda kituruho na East Africa abajunge kibatkoziri for them they had wanted Africa very mwene very fragmented buri hanga ryo kwayo
atari nkwatansa
rero biza bakwatwa rero materials zitu because Uganda ntibashobora affording kugura ibyo yo gukora refineries value addition bayiza batwari ebintu nkebi so president we yanagamba bwona yagira ati Uganda ito tukastopinga kuguza abantu araza abajungu raw materials nitukwenda ngo twekore refineries zitu za value addition hano tutware finished product esente zugara mu Uganda
Omwami Vincent nanisha batubetire okomaho kace tuze kace omu butumwa bw'abashubuzi bitwana ntugaruka kandi enshoga tureba okorahira kwa mukuru w'ihanga okwabahwerizoba abwenshuro ye yamushanje otargaho ntugaruka
Tariko samomo nusha nk'ibyo kutangaza ibyo tutekateye ikire yetantero kuteganisibwa kozesa momo app ningashinyiga *165*3# kushashura nabwanyima oshemerera kushashurira busha aha bishare bya hansi yashirinje 15 agone gomanyiga momo
empaka zo kuronda muhinji arakizayo omu Uganda ziryaha oramanya muhinji ningo mulisa arongera mutinda musharuro ye alejumbera mu kuhangahanga akalete mpinduke ndunje mu bantu obu nibwo bwire bwo kumutorana niyo vision akwatanise na embassy ya Netherlands nabo barakolengana nabo eriera rongora enkora birungi omuryo buhinji no bulisa ne chemba guiguga ne chansirinje miliyoni 150 hamwe n'uruzinduko buri kimwe cyona cyashurigwe okuza Netherlands habwa abahinji n'abalisi 13 abarabembera abando mu mpaka eza Best Farmers Awards okumutorana leta baruha hari office yona ya Vision Group omwihanga ninga sindika SMS Uganda's Best Farmers ote izina ryeye enamba yesimu yeye oyohera zari 9338 abahinje n'abalisa nimwe murabasa kwetorana zishajishwe DFCU Bank KLM Royal Dutch Airlines na Caudice okulongora abalisa n'abahinje abalete mpinda hinuka mu Uganda
Tabarka y'umukahumuro ejene TV West kandi umuherezani Angela na Trinda program kabirijo n'enshoga y'iz'abantu tutandika shaha ishatu tukwistia shaha ina turkureba ibintu bitarumwe on program nyine mo Vincent Ntebekaine kandi tuyontu tera tocho mukorahira kwa mukuru w'ihanga ukwabahwerizoba acayi echa kororo wabo tasa kwanomanya echa abahwerizoba president yabanarahizwa okuza umunshuro yamushanje ningashi his 7th term mukuru w'ihanga herya Uganda kandi umukoro gugwaba gukurirwe Dr. Flavia Nzeija ogonowe mukuru wa ishabaramuzi wa Uganda kandi tabantureba abantu binji abahika mukorogo abo harimo bakorwa mahanga gatargamwe nagamwe ntubasa kureba nka Samia Suluhu kurga Tanzania basakwa natwegitaho Felix Tshisekedi yasakwa natwegitaho mukorogo rizoba oyona TV West tuyontukoreka President Yoweri Museveni harukora hizwa erizoba kandi yabashendeserezi bomuhara ogone Natasha kandi twareba yarambara na parade rizoba yagaruka kuya atakarahire babanza bashumye bendera koreka ngo enshuro ye yakwa ningashitame ye 2021 2026 yabasakwa nehwa kubaheza kuyaiza kurahira beja bagaruka bahanka ebendera bamkwatse bendera koreka munumo kama wihangere eruturumu kandi yabasa kuba nagaruka na rambra parade abo kubana warko bari mukuru ningashomdumiza mukuru w'amahe gihanga kandi yishagamba ho ibintu binji mu speech yaheza kugamba yagamba ha nkwatanisa mu mahanga ga Africa kugira ngo tukagera katare kamwe noho yana niho yanajumire cyo kugira ngo tureke kutahuza embago ningashe za visa kugira ngo anoze muyangari ya Africa uteho visa eco cyo cyetenga esente nyinji kandi utuyontoronda katareka mutuyontoronda integration imwe yayiza yajango ejenture itwatandikeri izoba taro kubyama yajati kisanja no more sleep for Ugandans kandi chere cyagamba yajate amakamenji agahurire ubutumwa bwitira message ya NRM kuyihanza mbuteje cyo umwaka gwa kumarenda cina na mukaga tushem amakamenji gizere gargayo gatunguka atkantinko atanani ngamba gentunguka tingamba abantu like on a low scale kujangwa abantu PDM bahabe nkoko ba ijatoreka muna nabagiga base kwamba tunga esente zabo om government ya NRM. Speaking of which tukaga Vincent wotakangambire chintu cha drone nyomwe abasi chizenze drone zezo bayumba.
Of course Uganda we are very actually fast growing country in technology.
True.
Abukuba wanoreba nkebene boreka abanya-Uganda bemboreka kugira ngo we are moving very fast. Manye atokura nkesi nka Russia ensinka China ayense mwe zatandikire kutambuza egari zo mwika zo mwanya tariho rwuto rwo kureba but because of technology egari yo mwika retambura higuru. So abanya-Uganda should not get scared. Uganda na yene kura munonga
no kujango
most especially mid kura.
I think abanya-Uganda to negative nonga we have a lot of negativity. We were expecting us thing but they were comparing ihanga China kwereka drone zeze kwa neto mwanya kuja muncho student expecting but on my side ni ndeba ngo at least we are open to technology.
Yeah, because Uganda yene kurana munonga.
We shall get better.
We shall reach far even Uganda with time no kushanga turi yakwezi.
Hino muntu wazira ati kuno jangu omwagwa fireworks tukutera muhero gomwaka kuno jamu to embracing getting to drones. It can work though it needs money.
Those are ideas.
Yes, it can work. Hino muntu watugamba
to government will listen. Especially government NRM yone hurikiza abantu. Abantu ekibakwenda majority cyo kucwamu nichere kubakora. Konka ni insima munonga real ministry ya ICT kurangu twishira harevage because Uganda have been backward. One oreba the last regime zazabireho no entaro zituramu tukatine bwire bwo kwetebekanisa. We had no time to get prepared for of course for achievement. You see omutegeki ninga some leadership harime bintu bibiri. Harime kitweta symbiosis. Symbiosis wano abokushoma biology nikimanyise kinte kirundine. The one team, the one thing. Then tuiza tujeje kweta parasitism. Parasitism ni nkoko kushanga bobari it is an opposite of kweterana. Now atko kwiza wareba Uganda ito kuturi na NRM ko isirene ukora iturine ukorera hachitweta nucleus movement kushanga ikintu ncerundana hamwe nkaridas turundana hamwe nkabebembezi namwe n'abanya-Uganda okurigero kutwarete ikintu kito mu bantu as a team. Hazo shanga abantu bacakiraze nabo as a team. So oshanga obuhereza bwito tw'abantu twabutwara yo through symbiosis and nucleus turkwachevinga most of the things that twereza abantu. So one oreba NRM etwirene ukora n'abantu. NRM etwirene ukoregana munonga na leaders bayo kwereza abantu. Kandi kabenisha abana bebembezi bitatu azumukurahira turiyo tuzafutana kanye cyakaro kurahira kwa bamembaza ba parliament. So ninda kutwara umugisha kuchware kukurisiya yo bamwe abasibire kororo nga munywano wanje Jacqueline Mbabazi agumira kororo aho na mushija we amama Mbabazi the former prime minister abantu bakakura mu rumo gw'amana umuyango
irawo to wata at aha ex ninga she former Twitter yanagira ati in the next years to come turacha kureba signatures ziriho jepa omutiyata abana ba Gen Z what is JEPA, who is JEPA? They don't know JEPA.
Yeah, yes, because in Tureba omukuru mama Mbabazi is he akakore a lot of magnanimous achievements from Yango.
Yes.
Prime Minister Secretary General.
Should we expect cabinet?
Yes, I wish President rewards them. At least rewards Jackie Mbabazi.
Hata separa muza list za cabinet, but anyways on speculation. Yeah,
Uganda nimba kurisia yo most especially mwana wanje Jackie Mbabazi na Wechtin Sambabazi babagumira hakurahira kwa His Excellency. Na naba MPs abantu bona abo kubaru yara abantu benaremu. Bona bajwecera.
True.
Almost for constituency aterena re makaruna independent running bona babarukororo so nyincha kare batanu ko kurahira kwawo bine biro bishatu bakamarira twatanuka government ensi actually hata kindu kwetenga abantu binji betegereze twargom order system ya government twazumuniyo jara font to expecting ndensia twatanuka kisanje kisya kurugerizo president kora umurebe ngomugore Team no sleep. President akabyamaga. President byamana arambara PDM abo yabari mutuwa ya PDM. Abantu bakabebuza president nabiyamariyari. Akasheshe yashira umuntu. Oreba umwabazi yari natambura umbishako ko yenazumba kagabana.
President in a fresh mind.
In a fresh mind. So takubyama na indango abantu bona bebembezi ni murebero mutabyama. Ere ni mwabo kwakira services. Most especially local government mukuzite ko mbantu abanda bahanze ni mutabyama ni mwabo kwakira sente za PDM ezemyoga ezeza grow services za government ni mutabyama muzikorese.
Speaking of which, Vincent omuntu yena tureba ntureng president yabaza kwana rahizwa ahabwe inshuro yamshanje his 7th term. Twaza kureba mbyafa yo bya Africa his among abebembeza abaherezo bwire bwinji omu bwebembezi. What does this mean for Africa?
Well, I think Africa you go no mujisha.
Okumaro bwire bwinji
Africa no mujisha kwiza kwemburesinga President Museveni achikorata. Because victory ya NRM is the embracement ya Africa. Abo kuba President Museveni bamuranga ko magezi wa Africa. By the way no kugambwa
Africa.
No kugambwa kigambo Africa umunseza heru. Nikigiyaringo munonga President Museveni. President Museveni atura nagiyaringa ikintu cyo kwatanisa. You see no yabira rutine je bari umusigazi muto. Akatandika ro kugira ati abantu mukwatanise hamwe mukurakurane. Yarwanise ikintu cyo guza ubutaka kufurafuruka. Abo cyo takurura kataka kagwa. Ukubaganisa mu matako kagasara abana mu cyo butakora project aho. Acura umuto. So now yiza yarwatu nora y'umuca East Africa. Economically turinka babiri integrated. Tugize politically. Hata yana aranzi yabo cya Africa ni sitakugira free trade treaty. Kokashangana ibintano bita Djibouti.
Kwana jang tukazira ho mwebembezo mwe.
We can, why not? Americans manya kuza kwika United States of America nabo bakarawo ideas in case. You see amahanga ata America rigire kuzaguza independence myaka 2005. Kuba independent. Ati tuzaguzenga tinka atano na mushanjo mu.
Turiyo mwani nkaga.
Kari katugire mu nkaga. Konka nkaga area neza guza 2005 America, United States. So our ideas zabebembezi nizo ziraretire transformative ideology ya Africa.
Okay.
Abebembezi bite barate ko mbantu bitu nibe biratuhinduri eco mugasho ninga bakatwinaza. Nico kurebera for example nka Kenya irizoba hariyo
President wa France.
Hariyo President wa France babine yo summit about moving Africa something summit about moving Africa to man trade something tenachi but it was moving Africa forward something. It was a summit. Hate ebyo byona ko kwano baho waretaka President wa France. What I would wish African leaders kugambira umuntu nko
actually na President wa Egypt na we
hata abantu abakuru babari yonkabo basi bikambe embracing ikintu cha value addition. You see Africa tuza kugira sente, we can have everything on ourselves. Ejeshantu guzo mwana hero nka Africa Uganda actually in case ya kabiro mu Africa ero kuteko mwana hero konko wano oreba Germany tayini na kitana kimwe cyo mwana iyice yine kagenda ya strategies ngo mugure byoma byo gukora value addition contracting world market ya coffee
konjero
mutindo umwani hati Africa itomwana gututayo ukataho na Brazil zense zikutayo mwana zona cost a global market nituguza 406 billion dollars a global market aha 406 million binna mukaga za dola omwana ugona ko gurunda no gutukuza to mu world market no mezwa ko Africa
nsoranye ndakubuza wogo umuhinzi wo mwana ogo rya haha aija tunga
Africa rebe kizinga cyo na Argenturi yabaka abakabiri wargari Ethiopia Africa nitutungaho 25 billion miliyoni bina mukaga wiha habiri ni 5 hasigara zinga ziguma kuri mbajungu dollars ziguma mbajungu ati Uganda turiyensi ya kabiri umukerezo mwana mu Africa umunsi ya global market nitutungara billion mwenda araza 900 billion miliyoni rwenda za dola izo mwana akaka sente kacheki izo mu Uganda 900 billion of course kazumba hinji kazumkurunda no mwana gwitu why nituguza raw materials kanogira ngo nituguza ntukora variation mu buzuma byitu yo mwana these coffee beans hato shanga factories tu ina fine ko kano shanga standard y'abajungu ibakwenda yo mwana na coffee finished coffee hato shanga ico mico kitachini chine ka Germany so atkanogira ngo Africa ninga East Africa ne yurundana tukamanya value y'icyo manke cyikora variation yo mwana yo kongera mu birunga tukacugutunda tukacitanga Kampala nko mu Uganda kwa ndite basement yo mwana ukashanga byone Germany kora ntubukora hano nango shanga no mwana gwa Africa gona nugwiza hano Uganda nango ni Ethiopia kuturetera ato shanga variation y'ikinte kitwata me birunga ebyome bitwakoresa nibishana n'ibiri Germany notekateka ngo Africa tayo twine sende swingana attention your president yanagamba at Africa we need to unite most especially nani nzo wawe tinseme kuba niza futera ko ndumuno tujira katarika
yes
hati gukora Ethiopia
yes so mwisha no kusagestinga ngumuzere sente you have one currency
of course that one nchiza later after we have harmonized politically ibintu bizanda political wing wakati turi mu economic amahanga gakoregana hamwe gaka at for example ka Congo ine minerals zikikacha higuru and that's why entaro zitakwai waza kushanga foreign forces around emitware 5 y'amahe aga baheru gar Congo ga campingiri why obstruction of raw materials no zituyiba bazitwara kuruga Congo koka kanogira ngo twine variation of raw materials yaboreka ho sample ya gold president we yanagamba ateje gold ne gure sente nyingi abwo nji tutwara gold etari mu birunga etari refined tukagita hero bakatobu sente buke so mwene kiresere Africa sente twagumenyuma in terms of economic setup no kugira ngo tutunza ebintu bitwakubirene twekorera aha twiya mu cyangu atoshanga twabguza abajunga hasentenche bo batamu kace nangu iha mu cinji kandi eco mutano bagaraka babituretera tubugura
Oma Vincent turukwenda kwero kuhendera program twatandika insurance what next in the next 5 years
of course
urukubanga bangura
NRM tukija turukwihura abantu ekihuro kitu cha manifesto kandi ekirungi government yitu is a decentralized government twine chwa kwita central autonomous kirume bintu bibiri central ahiguru autonomous republic so authority nebe nabakuru abamwe ahururu mu bakwasomwe emirwa na president yarahira that's central but autonomous ni toto yachira bari yabate ko munkora ebitwa abatumiri the autonomous need abo kwachira so therefore Uganda it's a central autonomous state because authorities in ekorwa higuru then abo kujemburesinga the autonomous nabantu ekina ko nisaba the other center itwite autonomous abahansi emoto abaraga emwaturaganise mu bituretiri namba ya kabiri ko kuchabe kisanja no sleep ebinte mwaraganisa abantu I government yatandikira izoba ino nchakare ba MPs mutandika make sure ngo umuntu ekiwa mugambiri hariya citizenship manifesto ejotene kazare na nebyite bitukuza kubaretera ejone yawe n'abantu bwakoziri utinja kubatindura rutindo I don't know where konkite bitu abagambiro manifesto yitunka NRM ntuza kubireta kuturabisia district iwe MP niwe karebirebe niwe kutongwana sente ezo niwe kuzitenses hikayokore oversight orebe sente ezo hikabantu district igene kurebe ibyo enguto nisharwa abantu hanso bohereza buriyo amarware bintu mbizaho amashomero gombecurwe saza ati government mureke kugihenda NRM nerete binte biteka ground abo kubiyemburesinga technocrats therefore bari abantu bito bahansi bino kutunga services because they deserve to get it government yona government nekura no government ke kura umuntu akura umuntu kakura munongo mu business no muntu ase government yongera kura so ni cyane cyetenga buri muntu wena ayino kutita fara har government neka mukwatira nico kurebera abajungu umuntu najati msiyari yari myaka 18 ka umushoro namanka ko umushoro gwo mu government yirwarorwaho aco mushoro habaho ishomero aco mushoro inguto sharu aco mushoro abana batunga imirimo na factories ziba so ni wo munya Uganda jesha urebe ngo yeto munkitezo zo kurangonoye kundiri hangari yawe okundi hangari yawe kuba it is your continent Africa, it is your country Uganda, it is your village aho kutura that will sustain your life forever. Rahangana ateka kukuma ni woye kumiri ihanganda za kukunda na ni urukunziri so deka tukure ni hanga niwe ukorakora no mu program za government kandi yaragamba baturikiza ninga kutureba government kere rete program embrace it government eje yazaho tube twine binde byesimbira nayo naremo kongare teka kukora buri muntu na government y'abantu na y'abanya Uganda buri muntu bokagitera karuru obatora kamuhire president Museveni oba MP wa ukono ho opposition asingwe naremo ogo wateriri no mwemezi wawe so oyino kwikirizana nawe okaramwa akore kishanje myaka 5 ni unko muntu wagire ecyuyiho mu government yawe ni unko muntu ukagire cyo wa contributinga ihangari yawe hazaho nubwo turagire area projection of growth in money economy because turiyo mu money economy hati ekindi ko na kindi mpiga abantu nora agriculture yitu niyo yembe kiri hanga Uganda is an agriculture based country ebinje bitukora bitukentasyanirwa mu by'ubuhinji haza president Museveni afokasingire munonga kutungura umuhinji cyo kurana sente za gro mose zo business n'abahinji PDM ziyo muzirwaho emyoga iso n'ibintu binji mweni mwabahinji mureke tukorese good methods of farming tureke kukoresa ibintu bikwite amatakaho nawo gakacukukaho nawo noje no kwatafatara izo giteko mu itaka haza kwa imyaka 2 itaka ratachukora reka tugaruka har organic fertilizer zito zakare oshanji itakari ya uri agmaro fresh hato mwana uragugira kabeyi ibintu bigene biyongera kubaje enteziri amatene bindi bigene biyongera kutemba abantu baremba tunga kasente so use your land effectively no kakwa kariya kataka kace ubasaka koraho changu urengo watungukira aha level ya standard ya yitu ya ICT abakwana ureba no boinda kantu kace oyaho changu agwa technology so abanyagana nimbahiga reka twataganena na government eje azaho president yarahira mwamureba abebembeza abani baza kurahira ero 5 councils by 20 asimbabahereze bona let us embrace the achievements za NRM turukwakira ezizaza kutandika zabiro nagumwe araze zabiro na mukaga kwikasha tunagumwe rero kwendera nyenda ku of course kuramutse wamba tureba abo mwana wanje kombozi arbyana meraho no natureba munonga is really good kada mwana wanje Kibuto harona abantu banje bari Kibuto ari okwe muri nturoko is a very good kada wenare mukana avuna program eje munonga nangona abantu bana bambande bo muri Kagonji muri Mbara district n'abanya Uganda bona ba MP za kuza kurahira nimbendeze birunja kuba itu NRM bitukufa munonga no kurangu twakorana MP za bitwikirizana nabo omuntu akwakana ideology ya NRM tunayanga NRM yitwa tukashobya memu twaburi but our ideology is very clear to give service delivery to our people. Our ideology is very clear kumanya Uganda n'obusinge bwabo because we want umuntu atambaraze border to border without the frequency ya harbajo iwe yemeraha iwe to abanyagana no kubana atambara from border to border akahereza ensi so mwana muri yebyo ndukwenderanya nantere abo kutureba umuranga security nitandakaniwe tanayanga government twire security but security begins with you reba ngo umuntu ya waza ya mucinji wagira icyo wahurura yeto mutaka so security begins with you government nene kwatara konka ibi security yourself nitwe government ntizakwanda bakwataraho tongera kutunguka nimwe mwabare munonga nasigara n'Entebekine Vincent ninye media coordinator abwa NRM abwa Western Region
yewe mnonga omwana Vincent kandi we yabare ko murebe murunji wa TV West okutwegitaho kutankana shaisha program byatanka okwistia neza shaha akire kitka hayo betona program tabantu tera tosho nkorahera kwa mukuru w'ihanga obwara kutanka inshuro ye eyamshanjwe kwisha kutanka 2025 okwistia 2027 binje byaragansa eyes on to ebyaraganisa kathamye government nesha kwa nibikora kandi izo byanyensa kare abanyishino mbesha kwa batanko korahizwa okutayankana orakashatu okwistira orakana na orakatano betona obwire bwetu wahayo tukija kwanto yonzera yewe kutureba yebere kutukunda konko targa TV West ne binje ibyo kuretera otarga hon hanga barinde marali bye bye.